Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable automatic order routing in Printify. So all you need to do is log into your Printify account or sign up to Printify and then go and choose your store here that you want to enable this feature in. This is my store, and then go to store settings. Now you can see order settings, order routing. This feature automatically routes eligible orders to the most suitable alternative print provider if applicable. This helps you get the best possible price, production speed, and quality while avoiding possible delays. To ensure the best price and fastest delivery possible, all Express and Printify choice orders will be automatically routed regardless of settings below. So you can enable this by toggling this or checking it, and then you can input the maximum additional cost per item. For example, you can leave it as $2 or just put $1. I think the minimum is $2, so you can leave it as $2, and then allow routing for exact products matches only. Similar products matches. If exact is unavailable, you can choose one of those and then activate my upgrade to Printify choice. And yeah, that's it. This is how you do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.